Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, or actually the day before yesterday, I made a video showing you how to enter orders using the Goldfinger buy sell arrow indicator and the MACD candle. I wrote the description on how to use it in my last video. I'll put it in the comments or in the description of this video as well. So just as a recap, so this is the settings that I set for the Goldfinger indicator. So sensitivity at low, filter on, and period is 9. Okay, don't worry, I'll leave that in the description. And I have the MACD candles set as MACD versus zero line. So this highlighted area here shows you the status of the MACD on the different time frames. So what you want to do is you want to match the colors with the arrows. Now here, let me show you really quick what I mean. Okay, so here I took the order as soon as this candle closed and we had a green candle. So I enter an order here, put my stop loss. Since this swing low and this swing low is pretty close, I actually put it here, okay, in the beginning, and then I move my stop loss up as prices move along. So I didn't enter an order here. If I would take this order right here, what I would do would be wait for the price to close above. So I wouldn't be taking it on that candle. I would be waiting it for a clear move across the MA 100, and I would enter the order right around here, stop loss down here, and a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 RR. But I didn't catch this order. I caught this order here, so I entered here, put my stop loss down near this swing low, and just let it ride. Now at this point here, you can see the candles are blue, and if you switch to the different time frames, okay, 15, the candles are blue. On the 1 hour, it's also blue. Okay, so that's how I entered that order. Now I'm going to show you how to set up. Oh, in my last settings, I showed you that this is the default setting for the 1.27 version now. But if you guys have the 1.26 version, you guys have to go manually and change it. Now this is the default setting for the 1.27 version. So if anybody gets the new version, you don't need to adjust anything. Just use it as normal because it's already optimized. Now you can also change this to get more signals, quicker signals, but at the cost of getting more noise. Okay, so I'm going to switch this up. Here you can see you're getting more signals, right? On the low settings, I only got this green one here, and on here, there's more signals showing up on the screen. Now, on the down arrows, why haven't I taken orders, entering orders on the down arrows? Anything that is above the MA 100 when price closes and the signal changes, I still will not enter, because at the high time frame bias, it's still a bullish trend. So I'm only looking for green arrows and blue candles. Okay, now I hope you understand that. Now, even like this, if you're looking at this, I'm pretty sure at this point right here, the candles on the high time frame are still blue. So I would not enter, I would ignore all these red arrows all together and just be waiting for the blue ones. Now here we have probably a fake out, just coming down and picking up some liquidity and going back up. Like I said, it's not all the orders you're gonna win, but most of them, as long as you keep strict entry rules. Okay, so make sure you read it in the description down below. Now this is my demo account that I've been running for about 2 months. I've been creating these indicators and testing them out on this account, on this demo account. Now you can see here, I've started off with I believe it was 1,700 US dollars, and it's been doing really well. I've been using these strict entry rules, and I've been just killing it. Okay, so I hope you guys can have the time to download it and test it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And see this account I grew from 1,700, now we're up to 9,400. So yeah, that's a pretty good gain. Now I'm going to show you another setup here real quick. I am in a prop funding challenge for a $5,000 account, and I took the same trade as I did on the other demo account right here. I didn't catch the earlier one, and I didn't catch this one here. Now this one here, I believe I have the settings just a little quicker. I think I have the settings at medium on the low time frame just to get more signals and see if I can get into more orders. Okay, so this is how I set it up. Normally what I do is I do a low sensitivity setting on the M5, M15. I do medium on the H1, and I do high sensitivity on the H4. Okay, so that's how I do my settings, and this setting has made me very successful in trading right now. I hope you guys have a chance to try it out. Oh, and one more thing, I'll leave all the settings for both indicators down below, so that way if you guys pick up these indicators, you guys can try out the settings that I use. And like this, like you see before here, you have a red arrow. I'm going to ignore that because there's a red arrow here as well, but the price is well above the MA100 on the H4. So this has not flipped the trend yet. So I'm ignoring all these red candles, red arrows, and I'm only looking for green arrows and blue candles. So they must all match in 4 time frames, or at least 3. Okay, preferably 4, but at least 3. All right, I hope I've explained this clearly for everybody, and if you guys don't understand anything, please leave your questions down in the comments down below. Make sure you follow me and see if I use these 2 indicators and if I can win this challenge. It's just my dream to quit my job and be a full-time trader. I'm a very part-time trader now, but I've been writing my own indicator for the last 3 years now, and these 2 have been working for me very, very nicely. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, like to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll be explaining more in depth. If you want to try, if you're a scalper, you want to get into orders quick, I'm gonna show you how to do that on the lower time frames. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and happy trading, everybody. Bye bye.